Welcome to Embody. I'm Andrea, and today we're gonna do a fun dance workout, so let's get this party started. Meet me right here in the center.
You're wondering why I have his clothes when
we're rolling our hips out.
My body's where they're at.
Now to the front.
Now I'm gone, but you're still laying.
Smile on your face, we're having fun. Yes. To the side.
You're back together.
Other way. Sinead turn.
You'll just have to taste me.
Yes. Hey, other way.
If you want forever, I bet you
turn it out.
just know you'll taste me too.
Shoulders. Great five. And clap.
He pins you down on the carpet.
Two more.
Makes paintings with his tongue.
Roll those hips and roll.
He's
Hey.
funny now, all his jokes hit different.
That's
Guess
it.
who we learned that from?
To the front.
I'm gone, but you're still laying next to me. 1 degree of
It's a beautiful day to move our bodies. To this side, let's go.
You're back together.
Hey.
And if that's true,
Turn it out.
you'll just have to taste me.
Kiss the camera. Hey. That's it.
If you want forever, I bet you do.
Turn it out.
You'll taste me too.
Shimmy. Great five. Maybe add a turn.
Every time you close your eyes and feel his lips, you're feeling mine.
Oh.
And every time you breathe his air, just
You get
know
down,
I was
lower,
right
lower.
there. You
To
can
the front.
have him if you like. I've been there, done that once or twice, and singing about it don't mean I care. Yeah, I know I've been known
Great
to
job.
share.
To the side. Here we go.
Well, I heard you're back together, and if
Turn
that's
it out.
true, you'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you. If you want forever, I bet you did.
Turn it out.
You'll taste me
And shimmy. Great fun. Let's go. Great job.
You'll just have to taste me when he's kissing
Turn it out. Hey. Oh, nice job, everyone.
When he's kissing you.
Thank you so much for being here with us today.